All right, lastly, on this project, I'm going to put in some more special effects. I'm going to use this footage here. It says footage crate, dust puff, and there's about 5 different effects here, and I'm going to show you how to drag them in there and what to do with them. So I'm going to start with the dust puff. So first, I'm going to just drag it onto the screen here in the takeoff sequence. It pops up down here, and I'm just going to send it there. Now I'm going to have a little puff of smoke come up as he's launching off. So right there, I'm going to have this start right as Superman is launching off. Okay, and then as I watch it, the smoke just kind of sticks out too much. I put it underneath a few layers. That looks better, but the colors are still really off. So I go down to the bottom and I click toggle switches and modes, and I'm going to change the mode from normal to, well, let's try different things. Overlay is pretty nice looking. Soft light is good. Hard light's not too bad. And so I'm going to figure out what's going to work best here and then set it to that. I like overlay the best because it retains the color, but it's not quite as thick. So I'm going to duplicate it a few times, and that's kind of the key with a lot of this stuff is you want to duplicate it, enlarge it, and duplicate it again with a lot of these effects. Alright, and now I'm going to go to some of these other ones like a powder burst. Bring them in there. It's kind of just a smoky burst. Again, set it low. Change it to like soft light or hard light. And or screen. There we go. That screen looks perfect. Duplicate it, change the size, just so it kind of adds a little something to the push off. All of this bursting smoke just kind of gives it an added sense of realism. I'm going to do the same thing with the shockwave here. Put that in, drag it down in time, and change the mode here to screen. Okay, oh, that looks great. And again, I'm just going to duplicate these, size it up, duplicate, size it up, and maybe I'll just change some of the timing on this. Let's just play this, see how it looks. Not bad. I'm going to put some of this footage on a different layer. See if that changes things a little bit. Oh, that looks pretty intense. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, so just by using some of those drag and drop effects and then changing the mode, you can add some pretty intense stuff to your takeoff sequence there. Okay? And that should finish up the project nicely.